center. So when you click it, you open the application and it loads SharePoint site open automatically, as we can see there. So what we are seeing now is the typical folder on the SharePoint live site, and then I'm trying to like go through, and then we see that we have to go through many folders to get the files which are located inside. And then when we look at that, we see a master file and other files. The master files are not usable anymore by push. So that is the initial situation. And then if we also go, we have thousands of these directories on the SharePoint site, which I'm just trying to browse here now. And so that was just the situation. And then if you click there, you find files or documents inside. Okay, so in this case, we try to build a situation. I build a test folder, which we are going to use for this demonstration. And then we go through the folder, we find out that we have those other folders inside, different folder layers, and then we have that is about 4 files or documents inside that one. And then we go through the next. So here we're just trying to show the condition of the folder before restructuring. Then later when we restructure, we are going to check to see if it was really restructured. So on the root directory, we have those folders. And then we have files inside. So restructuring means we have to move these files from the deeper, the inner layer where they are found, to about 2 to 3 folder layer backward, and then deleting the folders that were containing the files. So now we do the restructuring. We bring it up, and then we are going to select from the list of libraries. We select the folder which we want to restructure. And in that case, the folder is called test metadata folder, which we can see there on the SharePoint and also on the application. So now we click the button that is going to do the restructuring. The application first of all asks us if we are sure we want to restructure. If we say no, nothing happened. If we say yes, then a dashboard pops on, and then also the user can get updates about what is going on, and also the percentage of processing is also there until it gets to 100% where it's going to finish. And from the update, we can also see the folder that is currently being processed and also the folder that contains it. So we are going to wait until the process complete, and the application is going to make us know the process is complete or not. So the process is complete 100%. And then now we have to check the SharePoint site to find out if truly that was done. So when we come here, we should not get all those folder layers anymore. We just need to find the files, and which is already done. So we see that there are no master file anymore. So the master files are being removed, and also all the other intermediate layers have been deleted. So we can see at this point that folder restructuring functionality is working pretty well. So not